so dumb. Good morning. Day 2. It's so bright. Like, I'm sorry. Well, no, not really for you guys. But, yep, we're going in town. Day 2. Yeah, we're just gonna get some food and come back because my dad left us and no food in the house. And, like, no food literally, like, not even to, like, cook. So, it's not that we're lazy or anything. We need something to eat. So, we're gonna go do that and, yeah. And then come back home and sleep. That's right. Right? You don't want to sleep? Well, I want to sleep. So I'm going to go and do what I need to do, come back and go to my bed and call it a day. And I think that'll be it for today. So now the only hard part is trying to get a drive to go into Montego Bay. That's the worst part. And yeah, yo. Oh my God, Kayanna. Kayanna. My other black slippers. This girl made me ruin my outfit. Like, I'm wearing friggin' flip-flops. Like, what the hell? Oh my God. Whatever, I don't even care. Let me do an outfit of the day. Don't turn it. No, keep it the other way. Yes. Okay, so my tights are from, high-waisted tights. They're from American Apparel. Am I too far? No. Okay. American Apparel. My top is from my necklace is from Sirens. My bag, I don't know. My sister gave it to me. My glasses came from Value Village. Believe it or not. No, I lied. Dollarama. And my bangles, I don't know. My cousin-in-law, turn it the other way. My cousin-in-law gave it to me. And my earrings are from Avon and my weave is from the hair store. That's my outfit. Give it to me! Freaking annoying. Like, they never listen. God. I said they're so annoying. They don't listen. Shit. They don't understand what, like, you're just giving me more work to edit. You don't understand? Thank you. Anyways, who told you I have $50? I don't have $50. You have my $50. Take it by credit.
Credit.
Take the $50 that you're supposed to go back in. I don't know. Anyhow, later, yeah? When we reach down in town, maybe or maybe not, I don't know, depending on how many people are down there, which there normally will be a lot of people, but I don't know. Anyways, later, yeah?
Guess where we are. City again. This time, me and your bake and she and I'm fried. Oh no.
Are you guys jealous? Like, I'd be jealous if I were you. Because, like, when I go home in, like, a couple weeks, I'm going to be jealous, too. Come on. Couldn't say some of Teet's, dear. Jesus Christ. Supposed to talk to people then? Oh, my God. Yo, lipstick is a friend and not a friend. Anyway, I'm going to eat. Soon come here. It's going to be fruity. I'm gonna get ice cream for the first time. I've never been here before. But they have, oh, Jamaican style? Oh, shit. No. Oh. I'm so confused. I don't know what to get. There's so many options. Green apple, blueberry cheesecake, papaya, cookies and cream, sorbet, orange pineapple sorbet. Ooh, lychee, pomegranate, cotton candy, birthday cake, strawberry cheesecake, rum cake. Oh my God, I don't know what to get. I hate when I have so many options. Oh, God. Why didn't we bring the milk? I got, I don't know, some green apple with some orange pineapple sorbet something. So I'm so freaking excited to eat this shit. Yeah, the back is gone. I'm so freaking excited to eat this. What'd you get?
No. I want the cheesecake.
Ew, the flavor.
Birthday cake and cookies and cream and oh, I get strawberry one.
I have no idea. Bro, ice cream not. It's like Menchie's. Oh,
Ice cream is good.
it's like Menchie's. Anything ice cream. To be honest, I'm gonna eat this shit right now. I'm trying to find a place to sit down and I can't. So good. So good. Trying to bring you guys on this journey with me, but my phone won't sit between my legs for long enough. Alright, look at my
Strawberry thingy.
the strawberry thingy. The strawberry thingy tastes good. Yeah, drop everything all over yourself. Yo, this, oh God. Yo, even in my mouth, yo. Jesus Christmas, oh God. I have to tell my father so to come back here to come get some more because
water. And 50,000-60,000 not to pay every month for water. So check rent, check blood clot, like you know how money come. You can't pay the bill. No, this is just me to sit down and relax.
You know, you're not done that yet?
That's all this stuff for me. And people don't know. Bum buckler, just for sit down and relax and keep yourself for that job. This that's where this pussy will do. This not make me live my lifestyle. You know what I say? Bum buckler.
This girl.
This is not your channel.
Listen, she took up camera. What shit? It's rough for a pretty face.
You know, like say,
I need one man with money and you can't get no man with money. I ask some boy for some money. I know you will get me. You understand? I'm not working.
Yo.
Zoe, what do you?
Yo. So dumb. What's her problem? What the fuck is she ranting about? She doesn't have no worries. She doesn't pay no bills. All she have to do is buy credits whenever I run out, which is every day. So
Listen, let me tell you. I need money to go about my business. I want to spend for my personal use. So, when you get a job, we can't act really well. What? You can't act really well. So if you don't want to give me a job, just call me up. The number
we're not
is...
acting.
Listen.
Son, dog, you can't put the car on the desk of doggy right now, doggy. You can't worry about something. You know that doggy. People them are bills. We don't want them. You understand the family? We are family, dog.
Sorry.
We don't need that means that you have me up there for nothing at all and we don't know about. Because if you are hooked up, you come and say, yo, you borrow one of the chair. You give your customer come, you come use the water. It's a business.
Shanko Dip.
We pay them. Because we are family.
Oh, gravy. I always forget to buy what I come in town to buy, and then I have to come back and I never end up getting it.
Here.
Oh, now you're tired. I thought you can act like you are woolly.
I'm not acting.
Act like you are a
You are a
video man. Oh yeah. Hi. Don't try. Don't try it at home. Well, only because it's the Bob Marley remix. Still, you understand? Yo, my sister's pregnant. Having my little niece and my little nephew. KFC. Oh, fried chicken.
It's a girl.
I hope not. Zoe, soup. You're not giving a nice soup? The other way. Yes. You're not giving a nice soup? Zoe, you must share.
I am sharing. I'm sharing with my mouth and I'm sharing with my belly.
You must share with me.
Why?
Because my little sister.
With no odor, so all you notice
Zoe.
is relief. Aspercrane. Break that grip.
I don't know whose it belongs to. It could be a mayor's. I don't care whose it is.
Dry mouth mouthwash and new toothpaste relieve dry mouth
So it's in there.
That's
my grandmother's
So
tell me something, you couldn't surprise me this evening.
dry mouth on the go.
With what?
Try Act Dry Mouthwash.
You couldn't put
The
on
pork-
and cook
The pork was in there. We said we Angie was like,
soup,
it shouldn't.
soup.
Soup.
You couldn't go up the road. Now you tell me say you go up the road to buy whatever.
No, I said if anything, we can go up the road. Yeah, we didn't go up the road. Staying home all day. Or didn't make the pork because you said you would have wanted yesterday. I mean tomorrow after meeting. Or didn't tell nobody that you didn't have meeting tomorrow.
Wanted their privacy and they both wanted to be left alone. But both Lee and Veronica thought the other person wanted a little more than Lee thought Veronica wanted as a sexual partner. Veronica thought Lee wanted
In the fridge?
destroy her.
In the fridge?
Where you want? What are the fridge?
No. Up top is a freezer, at the bottom it's a fridge. So
It doesn't take long for
Sorry.
So you say pork. Where pork?
it's seasoned in the fridge.
You see
In here too.
She shared. Look, she's such a nice sister.
Lee finds that his plants wilted and dead.
sausage,
Friends say maybe it's best just to pull out
something the
space
peas.
and clear
The
out.
kidney peas, the one who cooked, the one you have in the tin. You pour that tonight with
The noodles.
Alright, see there, what more do it make it taste?
When you're gonna do it?
One day.
Oh, okay. I thought you meant today.
You want something quick to eat?
Eliminate my word against her.
Surprised to see how that thing tastes, man. All the two little dumplings you can show tonight, man.
That is his
Bad. Mad.
Yeah, with this man.
This doesn't go over well with the neighbors.
Veronica very much.
What you say, I'm okay. What you say, I'm okay.